Morning folks, Kevin here. Well, it's June 9th, 2025. Today I'm going to be in the shop there packing up more stuff that's got to go into the blue bins and heading out to the shipping containers. So you'll come over and give me a hand today doing that. It's sprinkling now, but we got rain on and off, but there's supposed to be some sunshine a little bit later on today. So more of the same old thing. Just trying to pack up some blue bins, get things put on the new shelves down there in the shipping containers and see how that goes. As soon as we get this done, then we can either tackle the second floor or the stuff that's still outside. But we just got to make space. Be Wednesday before I get the rest of the shipping container shelving brackets in. Need those to do much more work. But I do have one unit that I can go ahead and cut some shelving for those shipping brackets. So we'll see how things go. I'm not going to get that stuff done today, I don't think, but who knows what will happen. Well, I came close to beating the rain. I got most of the shelving out. There's some small shelving parts here out. Got a lot more out of the shop down here, so we're almost back to normal. I still have stuff on top of the units, but we'll be able to get toolboxes and workbenches back to their normal places and all, and that'll be nice. But I did not beat the rain, unfortunately. It came in and hit us probably less than 15 minutes ago. And the winds are picking up. So I guess that's it for today's video, folks. Got a fair amount done. Got a lot of things moved out to the shipping containers, but I didn't get them closed up before it really wind blown rain. Man, a lot of the plywood that we had stacked, and yeah, it's all soaking wet again. And that was all within 5 minutes. It took me 5 minutes to close everything up. But looks like the winds have calmed down a little bit here. Anyways, I'm gonna go inside, get dried off, and call it quits for the day. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. Appreciate you watching, and appreciate your thumbs up as well. And stay safe and take care. Bye-bye now. And enjoy the thunder and lightning. It's kind of beautiful out there. Just don't want to be out there in it.